Hey, it's Scola and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day to lose weight. So I start off my day by taking a probiotic. So this is something that's pretty new to me, but I've been really enjoying it. This probiotic is called Simprove and it's meant to be really good for your gut health. Definitely recommend that you guys do more research into gut health and probiotics, but I'll be sure to do a video on it very soon. And of course, I always start my day off with a cheeky coffee, and I am loving my new French press. I got this off Amazon and it's just so pretty and it makes me so much more excited for my morning coffee, if that's even possible. And I always add in these vanilla flavor drops from my protein into my coffee. Adds flavor and some sweetness without the calories basically. And you can use Scola 35 to get 35% off your My Protein order. The link will be down below. And lately I've been doing intermittent fasting, which is basically where you spend longer not eating, but you still eat just as much as you need for your body. Let me know if you'd like me to do a video on intermittent fasting. So now it's time for my first meal of the day. So this will usually be around 1 to 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So I'm just going for the classic oats with banana, and I'm making it with water. And if I wasn't trying to lose weight, I would just make it with some sort of nut milk like almond milk or even soya milk, depending on what I have in. So this is a classic meal that I've always loved and I've made for years now. And I'm just having some green tea, which is something I'm really trying to make part of my daily routine because green tea has so many benefits, including speeding up your metabolism, which is something that I really need as somebody with hypothyroidism. My metabolism is already pretty slow, so speeding it up is definitely always a good thing. Right, now it's time for my next meal and it's already pretty dark outside, so sorry for the lighting. So I'm just chopping up some potatoes. It's been a while since I've had potatoes actually. And just grabbing some other veggies and tomatoes. Wait, tomatoes aren't even a veggie, they're a fruit. How crazy. And I'm just chopping up a parsnip here too. It looks like a potato but it's a parsnip. And adding in some mushrooms. So I'm really excited to introduce you to my new air fryer. So this is a little device that allows you to fry food without having to use oil, which is such a lifesaver because oil really does add up the calories, and if you're trying to lose weight, it's best to try to reduce your daily intake of how much you're taking in. So I feel like this air fryer has just been a game changer for me. It's so easy to use. I can just pop in the food. I usually lay down some foil or parchment paper, and though you don't have to use oil, I like to just use a little bit of coconut oil just to add a little bit of an oomph more for flavor than anything. But it really does go such a long way. Like, you honestly could go without the oil. That's just me being a bit extra. The air fryer is also so easy to use. It has some settings already set up, so you can just really push a button and everything is cooked and ready to go. And it always leaves my food like the perfect consistency. Like, this is perfectly crispy but also like soft in the middle. I absolutely love this air fryer, and I love that it's white because it matches all my other appliances. If you guys would like to get one for yourself, I'll leave a link to it down below that you guys can go and check out. I'm just going to add some hummus to that as well, and as well some black olives, just to add a little bit of extra something to the meal and some extra tastiness. I did add some balsamic vinegar dressing as well, and of course some chili just to add some extra seasoning because I didn't season this as much as I'd like to. But that is my second meal of the day, and you could also call it lunch. Water is really important to me. Like, I could not survive with water like most humans, but I do drink a lot of it, and this bottle really helps. I got the bottle from Amazon as well, so if you'd like to check it out, I'll leave a link to it down below. Now we're on to the last meal of the day, and I'm going to be using my air fryer again to cook this chicken. I cannot tell you guys how well this chicken turned out. I really recommend wrapping it up in the foil to make sure you keep the moisture in, because chicken breast can get really dry really easily, so I just find that really helps. So I just popped it in the air fryer, and it just makes life so easy because I can just set the timer and it will turn off by itself as well, so I have no risk of burning anything with this air fryer. So whilst everything is cooking over there, I'm just going to be chopping up some red cabbage, and I love using the method of just cooking it in water instead of using oil to stir fry it. So it's like, I don't know if it's what the method is called. Is it called broiling? Who knows? But I literally just use the water to cook it up. I'm gonna add in the mushrooms as well, and then just add some flavoring to it, mix it up, and it's gonna be really, really yummy. And then I'm going to be adding in some zero noodles. So these are some cognac noodles that have no calories in them, but they're really good at just adding some extra something to your meal and just filling you up a little bit more. Again, I got those from My Protein. And now the chicken is pretty much done. So easy to use this thing and so easy to clean after. And now my meal is done and I am ready to eat it. I didn't get a chance to say earlier in the video, but I'm not saying that you should eat this way. Always consult a professional if you can, and make sure you do your own research when it comes to your own diet. But that is it for today. I'm gonna have a cup of chamomile tea and head to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day video. Let me know if you'd like me to do another one, or if there's anything I spoke about or mentioned that you'd like me to talk about a little bit more. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay luscious, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.